how to track your lost or stolen iPhone from any other phone. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Find My app. After that, select Me from the options on the bottom of the screen. Then tap Help a Friend at the very bottom, and this will open iCloud.com. Then tap Sign In, then use a different Apple ID in the smaller letters below the word and continue. Then simply have your friend sign in to your iCloud using the Apple ID to see their devices. Then select the device they are looking for. Then if the lost device appears to be nearby, tap Play Sound to help you locate it. Or if the lost iPhone is far away, tap Lost Mode to help protect your data. This will also turn on low power mode to give you more time to research. Then once your friend has located the lost device, tap their name in the top right corner and select Sign Out. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.